Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is lesson 7 of Python, in which we are going to learn more about lists. So the topics that we are going to cover in this video are how we can change the list items, how we can add list items, how we can remove the list items, and how we can sort, copy and join the list. So these are the topics that we are going to cover in today's video. Now our first topic that we are going to cover is how we can change the list items. So we can change a specific item of the list by referring to its index number. Let me just show you. Like, this is my list fruits, in which the values I am going to put are apple, mango and banana. So these three are sufficient. Now I have to type the name of the list, that is fruits, and inside square bracket specify the index number whose value you want to change. Like over here, if I want to change apple, that is at index number 0, to kiwi. Let, let us say kiwi. So you have to just type like this and then say print fruits. So this much is only what you have to code. Now okay to save. And you can see we are getting kiwi, mango and banana, and you will be watching that apple is not there. Instead of that, kiwi is there. So this is how we can change a specific item by referring to its index number. Now if we want to change a range of list items, we can specify a range of index number over here. Let me just add more items to the list, so that uh, orange and grapes. Now I want to change the list values from banana to orange. So for doing that, I have to put here the index number of banana, that is 2, and then till orange if I want, then this is 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to write here 5, not 4, because 5, the index number that is specified over here, is excluded. This value will not be included in the replacement, but this value will be the value at the index number before this index number would be included, but this one will not be included. So that's why I have specified 5 over here, so that orange would be included. Now we have to specify the range of the values with which we want to change these, like kiwi, watermelon and strawberry. Now let's print this. Now you can see we are getting kiwi, watermelon and strawberry in our output, which are the items as the replacement of these items. So this is how we can specify our range of index number, and we can change their values with a new set of values. So you can see this. Now if you insert more items than you replace, like if we are inserting 4 values and we have replaced only 3 values, then the new items will be inserted where we have specified, and the remaining items will move accordingly. There will be no error. That's what we want to say over here. And also we can insert less items than we replace, such as we have replaced 3 items, but we are replacing only 2 items with them. So there will be no error in both the cases if we add more items or less items than we replace. You can try these codings, these one. Now how we can add list items, this is the next topic. So we can add list items by 3 methods: by insert method, by append method and by extend method. So first let's take a look at insert method. Now this is our list fruits, then say dot, then insert, and then specify the index number at which you want to insert the new value, like 2. Then inside double quote, after typing the comma inside double quotes, write the value with which you want to replace, with which you want to insert in the list. Like over here, we can enter kiwi. Now we have to just print this. Now run module. OK to save. And you can see we are also getting kiwi at index number 2. So this is how we can use the insert method. Now also we can let me show you append method. So this is how you have to code for append method. Just remove this. Now the change between insert method and append method is that append method would add the new list item at the end of the list, but insert method would add the list item at a specific index number that is specified by us. So like here I have typed kiwi. So you can see kiwi is coming at the last of the list. So this is how we can code append method. Now let's say we have two lists, fruits and fruit. Now we can add these three items to this list. And we can remove this. Now we want to join these two lists. For doing that, we can simply write here. This is the extend method which I'm showing you right now. So like if the fruits is my current list to which I want to add fruit, then type here fruits, then extend, then inside round brackets type the name of the another list whose value you want to add to fruits, or, or to your current list. Let me just write here print fruits. Run module. OK to save. And you can see we are getting all the 6 values that were in both our lists. 3 were in one and 3 were in another one. So this is how we can join two lists, or you can say this is how we can extend. This is how we can use extend method. So if you want to note all these, you can just take the screenshot. And there's one note that extend method does not have to append only lists. We can also add any iterable objects such as tuples, sets, and dictionaries. Now our next topic is how we can remove list items. For removing, we can use remove method. Let me just delete this list, and over here we can type remove. Now inside round brackets, inside the double quotations, write the write the value which you want to remove, such as apple. Now run module. OK to save. And see, apple is removed from here. So this is how we can use remove method. And there is one more method, that is pop method, that removes the specified index. Remove method removes the specified item, and pop method removes the specified index. Now we have to simply replace this remove with pop, and inside the round brackets write the index number of the value that you want to replace, that you want to delete. Like over here it is 0, that is for apple. Now let's see whether apple is coming or not. You can see apple is removed, and this is how we can use pop method. Now if we do not specify the index in the pop method in the round brackets, the pop method removes the last item of the list. Now we can also use del keyword to remove the specified index. Like, let me just show you. Now just say del, then write the name of the list, that is fruits, and inside square brackets write the index number like 0. Now let me just run this module. Okay to save. And see, apple is removed from the list. So this is how we can use del method. Now del keyword can also delete the list completely by just typing del, then leaving a space and then the name of the list, and it will delete the list completely. Now we can also use clear method that empties the list. The list will be still there, but it will have no content. Let me just show you. Now just write here fruits dot clear and then round brackets and leave it as just. Then you will be able to see two square brackets only because the list is there but no value is there. So that's why we are getting this as the output. Now our next topic is how we can sort the lists. So if we want to sort the list alphanumerically, then we can use sort method that will sort the lists alphanumerically ascending by default. So just say this list dot sort. This list means the name of your list dot sort. Yes, and also write the round brackets. Actually, I just yes. Now run module. Okay, to save. Firstly, we should get apple, then banana, and then mango. So you can see our list is sorted. Now, if you want to sort the list numerically, then also we can do the same method. Let me just add here a new list that is now. The numbers are 100, 21, 20, 32. Now let me just add here num dot sort and over here also. Now let's see what is the output. It should be in ascending order, that is 20, 21, 32, 100. You can see 20, 21, 32, 100. So it is in ascending order, and that's how we can use sort method. Now if we want to sort in descending order, we can simply write reverse equals to true. So that means here we have to sort it, and by default it is ascending, so it will sort in ascending order. Now inside brackets we have right reverse. So if we want to reverse the ascending order, if we reverse the ascending order, get, we get descending order. So if we want to reverse it, then we have to write here true, and if we write here true, we will get the output in descending order. So let me just show you, then only I hope you would understand. Now 100, 32, 21, 20. So this is the descending order, and this is how we can use sort method. And this is same for this fruits list or the list which contains the strings. Now case insensitive sort. In this type of case, like in our list, if we have some values that start with uppercase letters and some starts with lowercase letters. So by default in Python, the sort method is case sensitive, which results in all capital letters being sorted before lowercase letters. So like here the output should be banana, cherry, then kiwi and then orange. But the output would be kiwi, orange, banana, cherry, because the sort method is case sensitive by default in Python. So we can fix this kind of a problem by just writing key equals to str, that is for string dot lower. I can just show you. So now let me add some more list items. So Just remove this, and this should be fruits right now. We don't need the num lists. Now fruits. Now it should be in ascending order, and you will be able to see that at first it should be apple, then banana, then uh, cherry, and then mango, then melon, and then strawberry. But the order is not that we wanted. This is because the sort method in Python is case sensitive, and to fix this problem, we have to just write here key equals to str dot lower. So it will make this or make all the strings lowercase, and it will be able to sort it perfectly. Now you can see at first there is apple, then banana, then cherry, then mango, then melon, and then strawberry. So this is how we can fix this problem. Now, how we can copy the lists. This is our next topic. So we cannot copy a list simply by typing list 2 equals to list 1, because list 2 will only be a reference to list 1, and changes made in list 1 will automatically also be made in list 2. There are ways to make a copy. One way is to use the built-in list method, that is copy. Now we have to simply type here, let's say FRU equals to fruits dot copy. Let me just delete this. Now FRU is a new list that I have made, and it is the copy of list fruits. Now let me just run it, and let me just put fru, that is for fruits. Now okay to save. I think there's some problem. Yes, we have not typed the brackets. Now you can see it is the copy of the list fruits. Now this is how we can use copy method, and another way to make a copy is to use the built-in method list. So we can simply write the name of our new list, then equal to, then list, and inside round brackets name of the list that we want to copy. Like this is the name of our new list, then list, inside round brackets the name of the list we want to copy. So now the output would be same as it was before. So you can see how we can use list method. Now our next topic is how we can join the two lists. There are several ways to join or concatenate two or more lists in Python. One of the easiest ways are by using the plus operator. We can simply, like, we have two lists, list 1 and list 2. List 1 contains the string, list 2 contains the numerical numbers. Then we have just written here list 3 equals to list 1 plus list 2, then print list 3. So it will be shown by adding both of these. Now we can also use extend method, which I have showed you right now only. Let me just, here it is. So we can use extend method in joining to lists also. So you can try both of these coding by doing it yourself. And the topics that are going to be covered in next video are how we can, what are loop lists, list comprehension, and list methods. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.